Hey team, I'm Dan Landman, Dr. Landman, and a lot of the issues that come up about eyelid surgery is when's the perfect time to have eyelid surgery? And a lot of it is really dependent on you and what's important to you. Big issues that I find that come up with our patients are things like work schedules, vacations, and weddings. So for a wedding or something really important like that, you want to give it about like 3 months in advance to have the surgery. So all the bruising, the swelling is gone. Things like long weekends are also kind of important because that kind of sometimes gives you a little bit extra time to like recover at home before you go to work without taking extra time off. Now, on top of that, there's other issues that come up. So the main bruising after eyelid surgery is about 2 weeks. The swelling is usually about 6 weeks. The full healing is a year, but after 2 weeks, you can hide most things with makeup. And if you're gonna be like at a big event or something like that, not wearing makeup, by 6 weeks, you can hide almost everything. The other issue that comes up though is scheduling it. So I usually book out about like 2-3 months in advance from when I see you for the surgery. And then in order to get an appointment, sometimes it's about like a month to 3 months to get the appointment. So if you're thinking of having eyelid surgery, I'd say the easiest thing to do to make the whole process easy for you is kind of like plan in advance. And the sooner you get in, the easier it is to kind of schedule it, to get the date that you want that works best for your schedule. On top of all that too, the most important thing to me is not scheduling, but it's like your safety, right? And so sometimes I do need to see people back before their surgery, like 1 or 2 times, to make sure that they're not having issues with dryness or anything like that. And so that sometimes unfortunately delays things, but that's just for your safety. Another question that people ask is what season to do it in: summer, winter, fall, and spring. We do eyelid surgery almost every day of the year actually. So it really doesn't matter if you do it in the spring, the summer, the fall. It's whatever's most important for you as far as like your vacation schedule, your work schedule, and when you want to do it. But we're doing this pretty much every day of the year. So if you're thinking about having eyelid surgery, I'd say the most important thing to make it as easy as possible for you is to try to get in as soon as possible. We offer Facetime consultations or to come in, and that helps you get the best date for you. So call us anytime if you have any questions.